Introducing FloatChat, the game changer in customer service. We specialize in crafting customized Viber-Chatbot solutions just for your business. Our chatbots smoothly integrate with your websites or apps, providing easy accessibility for your customers. With FloatChat, customer service is available at their fingertips, anytime, anywhere. FloatChat's Viber-Chatbot reduces your customers' wait time, instant response, instant resolution. We make sure your customers are never left unheard. But we don't just stop at developing your chatbot. We ensure its peak performance through our ongoing maintenance services. With FloatChat, your chatbot remains efficient and effective. Experience an unprecedented surge in customer satisfaction with FloatChat. Watch as your business grows and thrives, powered by faster, more efficient customer interaction. Choose FloatChat's Viber-Chatbot services. Revolutionize your customer experiences and witness the transformation in your customer service efficiency and your business growth.
FloatChat, a smarter way to AI.